I was a student of anthropology at the University of Nairobi, and as soon as I saw the book bank ad looking for a research and inventory manager, of course I thought it was above my experience, but I was like, what they're doing is so interesting, let me go ahead and apply, and a few months later I got the job, so.
Employees in blue jumpsuits work to catalog books. Siokao smiles with her hands on her hips.
The thing that was handed over to me immediately was creating the first ever digital catalog of the 3 libraries.
A woman wearing rubber gloves works at a laptop. Another worker writes on sticker labels. Stacks of old books sit beside a person working on a laptop. A book titled Shaka Zulu by E.A. Ritter sits on top of a pile. Another book is titled British Colonial Theories 1570 to 1850. A person logs the title in a spreadsheet.
We have been told that there are over 400,000 objects and books